Okay, today's an absolutely fantastic day to be alive if you haven't noticed, and I'm really excited because when you say this financial prayer, large sums of money will flow into your life. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and I'm going to share with you a really simple financial prayer that you can say, and when you say it, you're going to bring prosperity into your life. Okay, let's dive right into this video. Now, before I share with you what to say, first hit the like button. It's right over there on the side. And what I wanted to say was, you hear the word prayer and maybe you think, oh yeah, whatever. So we are always saying prayers and affirmations. They're just generally unconscious. So most people's affirmation and prayer is, gosh, why isn't there more money in my life? And they're doing that subconsciously all day. Psychologists say you have 65,000 thoughts in a day. 95% of them are subconscious. So what happens is we're programmed so deeply to our present and our past that we continue to attract the same financial lack that we don't want anymore. So when you say this financial prayer, what you're going to do is you're going to start reprogramming your subconscious. You're going to start calling on the universe to start to present to you different opportunities, to start to attract the right resources, the right mentors, the right clients, the right opportunities. Money will start to come into your life. So here's what you say. Dear universe, I am totally open to unexpected money coming my way today. Dear universe, I am totally open to unexpected money coming my way today. Comment that down below. Dear universe, I am totally open to unexpected money coming my way today. Okay, you know how like when you sell a house and then it says it's in escrow, so it's like almost like it's in between owners? Similarly, there's a bunch of money in escrow because there's so many people that are saying negative financial prayers. Instead of, dear universe, I'm totally open to unexpected money coming my way, what they're saying is, dear universe, I'm so mad there isn't any money in my life. We live in a world of free will. You're a spiritual being in a physical body. You came in this physical body to learn a lot of different lessons. One of them is that your consciousness creates reality. So because we live in a world of free will, God and the universe do not impede upon your free will. So when your financial prayer is, I wish it was easier, I'm broke, this sucks, all the money that had your name on it is staying in escrow. It's staying in limbo. Because it can't come to you if you aren't ready to meet it. You know the old adage, it says that when the student is ready, the teacher appears. What about this? When the receiver is ready, the money appears. It's the same thing for everything in life. When the lover is ready, the romance appears. You can't get something you're not ready for. You can't receive something you're not open to. And so there's all this money and opportunity, houses, cars, jobs, promotions, clients, business. There's all these great things that are sitting in vibrational escrow in the universe. They're just sitting there waiting for somebody to affirm them. And so when you say this financial prayer, what you're doing is you're starting to pull all that money and all those opportunities that is sitting in vibrational escrow, and you're starting to put a name to it, to you. There's so much of it. The universe is like waiting to do something with it. The universe doesn't like limbo. The universe doesn't like stagnation. The universe is always growing and it's always expanding. It is infinite, it is always growing, and it is always expanding. So our financial life should mirror that, and it can when you say this. So what I want you to do is repeat this to yourself. And in a moment, I'm going to invite you to close your eyes. And when you close your eyes, I want you to start feeling how excited you would feel if you said this financial affirmation, and then once this video ended, you got that unexpected phone call. You got that huge huge text message or email. You went out into the day and oh my gosh, it finally happened. The money showed up, the job showed up, the client, the opportunity out of nowhere, the great idea. What would it feel like? Like, wouldn't that be exciting if it just happened and then you finally realize that the only reason it hadn't happened sooner is because you weren't calling it into your life? When the student is ready, the teacher appears. When the receiver is ready, the money appears. So say it with me. Comment down below, "Dear universe, I'm totally open to unexpected money coming my way." Dear universe, I'm totally open to unexpected money coming my way. So let me ask you, why not you? Why not today? Why can't today be the day that everything shifts? That, oh my gosh, the phone is ringing, the email. Today is the day that out of nowhere you get the synchronicity, you get the good news. Why not today? It can be today. You just have to be in this moment open to receiving. So what I'm inviting you to do is take some rhythmic breaths and clear your mind right now. Take some rhythmic breaths and clear your mind. So I like to breathe in for 4 or 5 seconds and then immediately exhale rhythmically for 4 or 5 seconds. I don't like to hold my breath on the inhale or the exhale. So take a deep breath in and out, breathing in and breathing out. Large sums of money can come your way. Breathing in deeply, breathe in. Breathing out. Large sums of money come your way unexpectedly. You are a divine being. You're good enough, you're smart enough, you live in a friendly universe. This universe is for constant expansion. When you're ready to receive, the abundance will show itself. So what I'm inviting you to do is use this financial prayer for the next 30 days. If you use this every morning and every night for the next 30 days, you will attract quick financial abundance and unexpected opportunities. So I invite you to come back and share your success story right there down below after you use this financial blessing. Some people are going to get some amazing results today. I would love to know what they are. So come back and share your success story right there down below. And by the way, if you haven't yet, hit the like button on this video right over there on the side. And right there down below is my free success hypnosis that you can use to get rid of all those negative thoughts. Like, have you noticed? Sometimes they just get overbearing. Well, the coolest thing is you can basically just erase them. Just like you can write stuff in pencil and then you can just erase it. Similarly, you can erase all your old limiting beliefs, all those fears, all those anxieties, all those doubts. You can just get rid of them all so your mind can become a magnet for prosperity. And it's right there down below. It's at jakeshypnosis.com. It's pinned to the comments right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. It's 100% free. I made this for myself like 7 years ago. The results were insanely amazing. And now I give it away for free, and every day I get some epic miracle stories. So I love to hear the miracles that come into your life when you use this. Just takes a couple minutes. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. It's pinned to the comments. And if you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you're already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? Even if you subscribed like 19 million years ago or last week, just double check you've actually hit the bell notification right over there on the side. Have an absolutely fantastic day. I'm so excited to hear about the great things that head your way when you use this. Remember that your consciousness has real power. So comment down below and say this one more time to yourself. Dear universe, I'm totally open to unexpected money coming my way.